Red Teaming 101 Part 5. We are doing StreamIO from HackTheBox, and this is a really cool Windows machine, an SQL injection, MsSQL, and grabbing here something cool. And then after that labs, there are too many things we're gonna be doing here in this video. So if you're ready, let's get started fastly. As always, we are starting with mmap. So let's start here mmap, and we are showing here there's an NXZ. So there's an SMB port is open, so then we can enumerate with NXZ SMB and giving the IP addresses, and then looking for what's going on here, what's his domain name and what is domain controller. So we also have HTTP on port 80, and there's giving us the HTTP perk. So there's and we saw some HTTP work here, Burp Suite Community Edition. Let me go first. Because there's also HTTPS on port 443, and then we have also HTTPS. So then there's first of all we need to be doing something on web server. So let me go here, start a burp, and then I'm gonna be move my things, the server on Chromium for analyzing them the most clearly. Then also we did it here before with NXZ SMB and get StreamIO.htp for the domain name and DC for the domain. So we etsy host, gonna go here. Okay, so we just trying to be added here to IP addresses, and then let's give them to StreamIO. Okay, it's like that, HTTP and DC, and we can now close it for now. So there's also has HTTPS on for port 443, and we are trying to be accessed, but it says are not found. So let's go here, it's connection not secure, more information, and we have certificates, and we are showing here there's StreamIO.htp and watch StreamIO.htp for DNS name. So we can also check we etsy host looking for watch .streamio.htp, and then let's clear it, looking for again. So there's we have streamio.htp, and then we have also watch streamio.htp. Let's try to be go down and looking at results and what's going on there. So streamio.htp is online movie streaming page. So then after we checking here about, and we're gonna be understand there's working on PHP contact us, and there's a contact us commands and the login page or something like that. On the watch streamio.htp, and we can try to be at what we can do, which is cool. Let's actually analyze them all on Chromium because I want to be moving them as the target, and I'm going to be giving us here the map, and streamio.htp is giving us about that contact image index.php and register.php, and watch streamio.htp is giving us nothing. So let's actually starting here for exposter for directory scan --url, give it this, and then there's also -key for SSL, and it's gonna be giving us here some directories, which is cool. So let's go here on the login.php, and we have to be look like login here with someone. Where can I watch this? And you will go, this website is available for mobile and desktops. There's looking like nothing here. The also is here and here, and add here test.com. Let me add, and let's see what's going on here. It's just gonna be post methods with email. So after some time we are getting here search.php, and let's looking for search.php on at watch streamio.htp. So this is injectable things, and we have to be first understand here. So let me send it here I'm looking for results and search.htp and how it's actually working. So if I'm gonna be sending it here, that's gonna be giving me here, for example, on a a, so it's gonna be give me the for MIUI who has the a characters on the name. So let's looking for the another things is here, as could be SQL injection for sure. The first we have to be understand it, then how we can actually enumerate it and or editors. So let me use here ABCD. So when how it's actually I'm trying to be understand how SQL injection payload work. So let's go here, SQL injection payload. Then if you are checking here payload, SQL injection payload list is over there. So the for union part, when you want to go here, the how them work, giving the characters and the question union select 1 2 3 4 or something like that. So let me actually go there here, and I'm waiting on with at burp suite. So let's give it here, for example, it's giving here then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm trying to be enumerate, right? And union select 1 2 3 4 5. I'm giving here the semicolon and dash dash and one more dash. So this is gonna be or starting with or to be payload. So let's send them on watch StreamIO.htp and then search it. So it will be giving us here nothing. It's because we can add it here or remove somewhere. It's here and then adds 2, and with this one, so with the 6, it's actually giving us here 2. So that does not mean is just giving here the 2. It means it's about the second value. For example, change 3 to 2, 2 to 3, and then you will be see here 3. So that means it's gonna be our payloads with 6, and then we can now enumeration. So we are working on the Windows machine, so we have to be checked for MS-SQL or MySQL. The payload, all the things, you just have to be go for payload all the things, and scroll down. SQL injection, we have to be check actually. I don't know, where is it? Oh, it's maybe somewhere. Yeah, SQL injection. So go for here MS-SQL injection Chi, and scroll down, and how we can enumerate database and other things is over there. So for example, we are also get select here and union select. Then we are now it's from master system databases for the B name. So we all know it's working on second value. So let's change it with second value with name, and then from master system databases. Okay. So let me copy that and go for here, and then looking for, and if it's actually work, if it will be giving us here something cool, and then it will be giving us here the name from system databases. So we are now all it's the master system databases is equal here master model MSDB, StreamIO backup, and TempDB or any others. So right now we have to be looking for we have to be learn how to work with the SQL injection payloads, right? For the second things, then we have to be go and giving here string agg name from master system databases, and how we can add it here as the username or the table name or the column name or others. So then we have to be using here select string agg name, and with from system master system databases, and then all we can go here, and it's from the table for information schema columns and information schema tables. So let's modify it for this one. Gonna go here, the name, we are just need to be add string egg name as like that. Yeah, here string egg name is, so let me actually remove them. All right, then we just need to be changed here with concat. Then after that concat, we can try to be get here table name then we are just need to be here colon, then all, we are trying to be get column name, right? So we are trying to be get here column name. We go for here. Oh, we did something wrong, by the way. We need to be give into the parentheses on the concat. Table name, we are trying to be grep, and column name, and we're trying to be grep, then all. Let's actually just remove them with this. So for example, you can also use it here -n, by the way. So let's actually use this. Now from, let's need to be on information schema columns. So just we have to be changed here from information schema columns. So let me copy that and give it here. Let's see if it's work. Alright, so we are grabbed it, and then after that's all, we are grabbed here the username list and the movies, IMDb, the users, the password and usernames, and something like that, which is cool. So that's all. That's okay. So right now we can grab username and password from users, I think, which is cool. So let's actually modify that one more time. And string add content, it's okay. Just need to be give here from concat username, and let's giving here the be, for example, space after that. Then after that space, we are trying to be get passwords, and then after that's all. You can use it here again, this one, or you can directly use here this one, right? So but this one is not be from information schema columns. We are trying to be grab it from users. So let's change it with this, and go here, search. All right, so we are got it. So this is, for example, the James. This is hash from James, or the Samantha is a Samantha's hash, or something like that. So with this commands, we are available to be get his hash. So there's an admin, for example, for this admin hash, and Yoshida, and there's Yoshida password hash. So let's go correct station.net, give this hash and correct this. All right, so with crosswalks, okay, verify, and then we, for example, get it here, pat, and then we all know there's login.php is over here. So let's try for admin and give it as admin and a login, and his login failed. So let's try with Yoshida with his hash, and then letter about correct this hash, and then 66 boys and girls, for example, we got. So let's go here again with this password and with this username. Let's try. Oh my god, it's need to be work. Yeah. Yeah, now it's out because it needs to be worked directly, by the way. Let's. Oh, it's not any Yoshida, it's Yoshida directly, right? With here the password. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so we are in, and we got our 266 boys and girls, and for Yoshida. Okay, so this is our first creds we're grabbing here for login page, and there's an about, contact us, or something like that. So there's could be here admin or admin.php. Let's looking for admin, and we are in user management and stuff management and movie management or something like that. But this is really look like injectable. We can actually starting here fuzzing and find something different, and it could be here LFI or something like that. So FFUF I'm gonna be using for this one. StreamIO.htp with this one. So let me actually do this. FFUF-u giving the host which one you want to be fuzzing. We're gonna be fuzzing here movie, and then after that all giving parameters and giving here cookie. So we just need to be here if cookie is changing. Let me go to target StreamIO.htp, and we are that's different cookies over here. So let's me actually remove it and just give it this, and it's gonna be creating too many things, so we can modify with -fc and giving the which one is always showing for us. So this look like not work for now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's out. So we're just try to enumerate here, send to int reader. For example, we can try also load user share wordless sackless, and which one we was use discovery web content per parameter names.txt start attack. You can also use it here actually, and let's see. It's gonna be really slow, you know, because that's why I want to be used here FFUF, by the way. Yeah, it's gonna be slow as fuck. Let me discard, go back, start here FFUF. Okay. Okay, let's start it with it maybe. So it's just giving us here error. I don't know why. Maybe there's something wrong on PHP SSID. So let's actually to do this to another things like if it's here, fuzzing is here, yeah. So let me actually use this. So maybe it's gonna be more cooler. Fuzzing -u HTTPS. So we're just trying to be fuzzing here. Fuzz. -v user share wordless sacklist discovery web content per parameter names.txt and -h this one, the cookie we have to be give because there's an admin panel, you know. What does it mean no match fonts? Oh, it's out. What does it mean, no match fonts? We not added, let's see, host file. No, we actually did. Yeah. What the fuck, bro? What does it mean? Oh my fucking god. Yeah, there's something else, but it's need to be giving us the here debug is over here. And at this debug, this option for developers only, we're gonna be give. And after the ffuf command, I don't know why it's not working right now. There's something out here. Then after you checking here again with the fuzzing after debug, and you will be get here, and we can do read here index.php. So, but before to be read it, so we need something really different, like for example, gonna be sent here on here proxy intercept the zone, send it here on repeater, and admin and debug is here. So we can read some file with php filter convert base64 encode, and then give here resource. Let's try index.php. Okay, and we will get here index.php is to base64 command, and you just need to be go here echo -n, give this base64-d. Okay, so it's just giving us here index.php. So after you analyze it here a bit more, you will find here master.php. So it's the same command with ffuf, just changing here debug and fuzzing there, and then you will be get here master.php. Then let me send it, and we will get here master.php is base64. So we just need to be copy this and echo -n base64-d, and then save this as master.php. Okay, sublime text master.php. Let me out. You'll be getting here. There's an include methods. It's working on pause, and where is not equal to index.php, and there's a remote code execution, and you can do it here directly. So this is what we're trying to be do for remote code execution here, and we can directly get shell as back with remote code execution is over here. That's fine. Okay, let's remove it, and then go for the admin debug.php. For example, we got it here, right? Gonna go here again, intercept this own, and admin and debug, send it here, repeater, change request methods, and then let's give here admin and debug. It need to be work here. Then also, and while it's reading here master.php, there is an include parameter which has remote code execution vulnerability. So let's upload here remote code execution.php, which is look like something like that. What we just need to be changing here. Okay, so let's go here reverseshell.com, and then just change it with 2 and go for Windows, 1443 PowerShell, and with this file. Okay, just change it with this and remote code execution. So let's upload here with Python 3 listener, and we'll get it back here. HTTP 10 14 and remote code execution.php, and then just gonna be send it. Oh, it says are not found. It's because there's here. Okay, question mark. Right. So it's got remote code execution. Oh, it says it's not found. Okay. Let's send it again. So maybe you can typo with this. Oh, what does it mean actually? Send it again. All right, we are get shell back. So that's cool. Let's go see, and we are in. That's how we get reverse shell, the first of all, for or on the machine. So as of right now, we have to be understand if there's we are working with SQL injection and remote code execution get shell. There's definitely is to SQL databases we have to be enumerated first, right? So but we have no password or any others. So let's actually do it here manually. SQLCMD cheat sheet, for example, you can go. We can check MS SQL Server cheat sheet or the GitHub, but it's really not complicated. Okay, so it's really easy if you want to be do. You just need to be use SQLCMD. So the first of all, we need to be learn the some password about to the file. So the how we can access the username and password. So let me go here, dear StreamIO .htp. There's some PHP file, but we have no time for to check them all. The for is password or something like that. So there's a really easy command for to do it. Recurse and check for all PHP file, select string dash pattern and database, like that. Are you sure? Dear recur PHP select string dash pattern and then database. All right, we are in and got here some. So let's upload here sublime note txt. So we are getting here with recurse PHP and pattern database, and we are get right now the password for database, and the database user is database admin. So then right now we can use it here SQLCMD. We have to be do it manually because we have no password again. If you have the password, we can do source forwarding and access this MySQL directly. So right, you know, and let's do here. We just need to be learn how to use SQLCMD. So gonna use here SQLCMD-H. We have to be give IP addresses or localhost and a -u, which is database admin, and then -p, and then giving here password, which is equal that, and then for -q, it's gonna be equal or query. So what we're trying to be do, select name from master DBO system databases. Let's see. All right, so it's actually work, and we are grab it here, system databases. So there's a model MSDP, master tempdb, or any others. We can also check here to table name with SQLCMD again. So we just need to be modified it. So just we have to be change query, right? C select table name from StreamIO backup dot information schema dot tables. Let me run. Oh, it's we are did somewhere the typo. StreamIO backup information schema dot table. All right, I think it's okay. So it's about here. Right. So right now we are grab it here. Movies and users, then we can grab the hash and the username list from users. So let's actually use again SQLCMD. Then we just need to modify query again. For to be grab here the username list and password. Use StreamIO backup and select all from users, like that. We can actually use. All right, we are not in MySQL, so then we can just use it like that. So that's fine. We also get it, and we grab some username and password. For example, it's for Nick, and then its hash is equal that. Then we are trying to be crack it from crack station again, and let me actually try to crack, and it says get them girls and yahoo.com or something like that. So we can try as WinRM if we have NXE WinRM. Okay, so it was here. StreamIO.htp for this username and for this password. So we will WinRM directly here for access data. We already got here password, or we can run BloodHound data, by the way. Make their BloodHound and go for BloodHound here, and BloodHound Python in giving the domain name, username, password, and zip and the TCP. Alright, that's all fine right now, and we can check net users nick 37, and there's look like nothing important too much, right? We actually got it. So we need somewhere to be go. We just need to be go back because there's Firefox password things. Let's run ls-hidden, and then you will be see here there's an app data. I'll go for app data, and then looking for deer, and then roaming, and deer again. There's a Mozilla, and then deer again. Now there's a Firefox, we have to be go, and deer again. So can go here profiles now, and here again. So just need to be go here, and here again. We are just getting here times JSON. It's look like not useful. So then let's go here, and then we are getting here a bit data as like sort database, K4 database, or something like that. For the be crack it, then we're gonna be use fire pwd for crack it Firefox password, and then let's upload it, and then let's looking for what it's actually using for git clone fire pwd. And it says if you have K for database and logins JSON file. Just use this two file and with Python fire pwd something like that. So Python 3 fire pwd source we have to be do first, and then source my environment activate, so pip install dash requirements.txt. So that means we just need to be download k database and login JSON is over here. Alright, these are already there. We are just waiting for installed requirements for fire pwd. Then after that's all, we are available to be get here the usernames and password, decrypting login and password at the tab. So we are just gonna need to be waiting it. So let's cp and k for database and logins JSONs and Python 3 and fire pwd, and we are grab it here decrypting password. So this is cool. We are just need to be download it and use it. Okay. There's some ports, the passwords we got, and let me actually grab this password and I go back, deactivate passwords.txt and grab this, and another password is here, and another password is over here. Okay, let's save them, nxzsmb. We are just have the usernames gd got, and giving this passwords.txt, and let's see which one is work. Then we can go here for BloodHound data. So BloodHound data is already done, so we can go here BloodHound looking for what we can do or use us. So it's look like this one is work, so or new creds is equal gddoc and gddoc, and this something like that. So go for BloodHound data and scroll down, clear database, and upload here data. Go for the location, computer, home, where is it? Elliot, documents, HackTheBox, Windows, stream, BloodHound, and bloodhound.zip. Alright, so we have the username is gddoc, and let's see what it can do. gddoc StreamIO.htp reachable high value target. So our user can WriteOwner core stuff, and core stuff can read labs password for tcstream.htp. So first of all, we have to be do WriteOwner here. So there's also Linux abuse and the Windows abuses actually, but Windows abuses on WriteOwner as a bit easier to be do it. Okay, so we can just directly can do it. So we have to be upload here tools PowerShell 1, and then let's upload PowerShell 1 is over here. Go for program data, then upload PowerShell 1. All right. let's import it first, PowerShell 1. Then we have to be give here password, and let's use convert to secure string. We just need to be giving our password, right? Giving like that, and then dash as plain text dash first. All right. So then after that, we just need to be giving our cred. With cred, we can say here directly cred new. All right. Okay. That's for this one. Convert to secure string like that. New object system management automation PS credential, like that. Let's give it here StreamIO, and the users is gdgot, and with his pass. New object. Oh, there's something out. New object, system management, automation, PS credential. So yeah. Typo again, right? So that ACL. What the fuck? Let me actually run the old codes first. Okay, so then after that we can add domain object ACL dash credential with cred dash target identify core stuff. We are just WriteOwner on core stuff first, by the way. Dash principal identify for StreamIO with this. Okay. Then the last command is add domain group member dash credential cred identify for core stuff again dash members StreamIO gdgot. Okay, the first of all we are trying to be giving our password here, then giving credential with new object, the system management automation, and the PS credential is over there, by the way. There's the typo again is like that. So then add domain object ACL on core stuff gdgot, and then after that's all we can add domain group member or use as gdgot. So let's checking for net use as gdgot, by the way, and you will be see here it's on the core stuff. So for the last things we have read labs password. You can go Linux abuse, and there's some PyLabs, but there is no needed. We can directly use here nxzsmb with his password, which is actually equal that, and then -- labs and -- ntds for remove it and read it directly. So here, let's see if it's work. Alright, it's actually work, and we are grabbing here administrator password and which one is equal e or something like that. So let's evil -windows rm -i let's giving the password like that, and for I StreamIO.htp. Alright, that's actually work. Thank you for watching. That's for all we have to be do.